welcome back to my channel, and this is Lou with Eye Critique. Meet my newest coated cotton drawstring bag from Dooney Bourke. She is from the Blakely collection in the color Bone. This bag is undeniably beautiful and worth the buy, especially when they come with those great tassels, and this time to be used for opening and cinching the bag, as well as their 1975 DB logo, and of course the gold tone eyelet around the bag. It's just simply amazing. And for maintenance, all you do is clean it with warm water and soap to wipe it down. With the DB letterings around the bag, contrasted with that natural leather trim, just makes it even more attractive and impossible to buy. This bag stands at 11 inches high, length is 10.25 and width is 7.25, and nice 4 feet at the bottom, which means it'll stand on its own. The strap on this bag is just perfect for my height. It has a strap drop of 10.5 inches, and of course it is adjustable. And I've measured close to 1.5 inches to make this purse a little longer, which could possibly give you more room with a thick coat during the winter season. One of the features on this bag that amazes me so much is the endless braid strap that Dooney Bourke seems to produce so well. It actually reminds me of the Roman era when men and women wore gold leaf bands on their heads, and I think it's very quaint. The way to open this drawstring bag is to pull down on those tassels, and as you can see, the top has a very wide opening, and it's also very deep. Inside, you will find 2 deep slip pockets for your readers and phone, and another deep zippered pocket for more private things, and a slip pocket on the other. And of course, it has a key keeper to keep your keys together and easily found. Now, closing this bag is just as easily as opening it. All you have to do is cinch the bag by pulling the 2 tassels upward and inward. And just like that, nothing should come out of this bag. I consider this bag a throw and go. And it is a medium-sized bag, so I can easily fit all my stuff that I would normally fit in my Barlow tote. And in my experience, I find that Dooney Bourke offers cute features, great quality, durability, and of course, great customer satisfaction. Once again, thank you for watching my video and hope that I was informative. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I will try to answer them accordingly. Until next time, God bless, relax, relate, and release.